Hi, my name is Grace McKinney, and this summer I was a social media buying assistant and e-commerce intern at Pant Store in Leeds, Alabama. This summer I got to see how stores do online orders, how they create social media such as TikToks and flat lays, as well as how to fill in stores' inventory and re-merchandise their store's floor. I really enjoyed getting to know all the other coworkers there. I found this internship because I worked at Pant Store as a sales associate, and so I asked our buyer and our social media manager if they were hiring an intern this summer, and they told me yes within the week. And so I was very fortunate for that. And my 3 advice for interns coming up is to be detail oriented, go above and beyond your job title, and to know how to multitask.